What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Hear Me Calling by Juice WRLD. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar-related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, this song is in standard tuning. You're going to capo up to the 3rd fret because we're using some different variations of some chords, and it just makes more sense to capo up to the 3rd fret. You could play this without the capo. It just might, you will only want to focus on the bottom 3 strings, but if you have a capo to the 3rd fret and it'll all sound better. If you need the chord diagrams, as always, I'll have them in the bottom of the description below, so once you get done with the video, if you need them, jump down in the description. For now, we're going to start with this variation of a C chord. It's going to be 3-3-2-0-0-0. Then you're going to jump up to this variation of an E minor. It's going to be 7-7-5-0-0-0. And then your next chord is going to be this variation of a D. It's going to be 5-5-4-0-0-0. And then finally, you're jumping up here to this version of a G. It's going to be 10-10-9-0-0-0. So once you get the chords down, all you need to do is get the rhythm down. It can be a little bit tricky, so you might have to watch this a few times to really get the rhythm down. You're starting on your C. Then you're going your E minor, C, D, G, and then it starts all over. And it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again, once you get that down, it just repeats throughout the entire song. If you need to watch this a few times to really get the rhythm down, by all means, rewatch this as many times as you need to. I'm going to play through it a couple times slowly so that you can watch it and really get it down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The 2nd place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.